Bam! Alright. So just to prove to you guys that you can make cake from cake mix, pop, and cooking it in the microwave. So. First we're going to take the cake, because the twisty ties.
So let's just edit this out.
Pour in the cake. We're using Sprite, because
Sprite Zero.
I used Coke before. Everybody said they could really taste the Coke. So get yourself 4.
I'm putting on the record that I think this is weird.
Perfectly normal. If black people do this, it's normal.
I don't know if they do. Well, no, I guess.
They'll start it after this.
That's true.
I saw one video where it said remove the chunkies, but...
Gotta get the chunkies.
We'll just eat through the chunkies. Alright, that's about good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we take this, like that, balance it perfectly right there. Take the microwave, and we'll put it in for about 4 minutes. And we'll just wait for that to finish. Alright, so after 4 minutes of cooking the cake. Hello, Kelly.
I'm petting the dog.
Just come over here, come over here. It smells like cake, right?
Yes, it does smell like
Okay, it smells like cake.
Stay.
Ooh, that might have been cooked too long.
That is burnt.
It is burnt?
That is burnt, yeah, I can smell it.
Holy crap, that is hard. Well, we'll try again. But here's attempt number 1.
It does look like cake.
I mean, it looks like cake. But
Burnt cake.
burnt cake. It's a burnt cake.
There's a hole in this. 2.
Alright, so we're going with attempt number 2 here, because, you know, the first one burnt. So we're going to be going with half the amount of power from the microwave.
My idea.
Same amount of time. Yeah, his idea.
You ready to just pop?
Cook. No, wait, not express. Time to 4 minutes. Power level. So, change of plans. We only cooked it for 3 minutes on half.
Hey, it actually looks okay.
Where's my other? Oh, I lost it.
I don't get a burnt smell from it.
So it looks like it's been crystallized because there's Sprite in it. But there it is. And taste test.
Oh, it's actually...
It's mushy.
It feels like you need to cook it a little more.
Ah! So we're gonna give it for 30 more seconds. Pretty much looks the same as it did before, but now with a different consistency.
And fingers.
And fingerprints on it. Oh, fine. It's better.
It tastes better.
Cake.
It actually tastes pretty good.
Chocolate cake. Alright. So I guess the best would have been to cook it like maybe on
50% for 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
no, 4 minutes on 3. It's very gooey though.
It's good though.
Tastes good, but
Very hot on the bottom.